Hi everybody, welcome to a new video about Mopro. This video is about a while loop, and well, I'm going to use a small example assignment again, and this assignment will be display all even values until 18 is reached, so the value of 18. And for this I'm going to use a while loop, and a while loop is a calculation that is repeated until a specified value is reached. So it will stop after a specified value is obtained. And for this, I'm going to show you what happens in MATLAB again. So I'm going to, what you should write in MATLAB again. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do some. Well, I'm going to start defining my first value. It's always very useful. M1, and M1 will be equal to 0. First value I'm going to use. Then I'm going to use my while loop already. While M is smaller than 18, so this should be a while, my value of M and plus 1 should be equal to M and plus 1. So, and what do I mean by and? Well, I'll explain. And is the last value of the vector. So the last value of the vector m, and over here I'm going to add the value of 2 to this last value, and over here I create a new value below the value m, so my vector will be one item longer. And of course a loop needs an end. So and after this end it will be repeated until I've reached the value of 18. So mind this, the value of 18 will be included because it will continue until the value of 18 is reached. So 20 won't be included, but 18 will be included. And there's one thing I can do which is actually quite useful, and for this I need to erase my end. I'm going to include a value of j, and j is equal to j plus 1. And over here I'm going to include my end. So why am I adding j? Well, j will count the amount of steps I need during calculation. So in the first step, j, and I can even predefine j will be 1. So the first item will be 1. And after one loop, j will be 2 because I'm adding 1. After the second loop, j will be 3. So I know how many elements I have to add until obtaining m is 18. So I think it's best if you start applying these while loop by yourself, so you can practice in exercise 3. I wish you good luck and hope to see you in the next lecture.